Now, when we cut the replacement, my stage 2, when we cut the replacement for the vapor barrier, I will talk about this a little bit more, but we're actually going to improve upon the original design a little bit by extending out into more of the door. But before we get there, let's talk about the SoundSkins Classic, that stage 3 plus sort of approach, where we're going to be lining the inside of the door with the SoundSkins Classic. Now, a couple of things. First of all, as you can tell, we're not going to be able to get into it as cleanly as other places through the entire door or through the vapor barrier. There's a lot of strut bars and other pieces in here, so we're really going to have to custom cut each piece. You're going to cut off a big sheet of the Classic, kind of fit it up in here, see how it all fits, and then cut it to shape and adhere it down. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a rag and clean off all of the inner surfaces the best I can throughout the inside of the door and make sure that it's dry, so I get a good adherence of the Classic throughout the door. But I wanted to kind of talk you through that process before you did it. I'm going to show you piece by piece as I do it, as I go through. But the next stage really is going to be that SoundSkins Classic on the inside of the doors. So let me wipe all the inside down, and then I'm going to get the roll of the Classic, and then we're going to start fitting it all into place. All right, so with my tape measure, what I found in my door, and your door may be different, that the void space that I can easily get back into to apply the SoundSkins Classic is 25 inches tall by 29 inches wide before I hit any structure that I'm not going to want to interfere with. So that roll, the roll of Classic, is 24 inches wide. So in many ways, that's just perfect. And so I cut myself a 24 by 29 inch piece. Now, there's no way that I'm going to be able to get a 24 by 29 inch piece in through this space without folding it really badly. So what I've done is I've cut it off in pieces.